Hello and welcome to the MCQ lecture series. I have MCQs with respect to growth and development. So let's get started. The first MCQ is, what are the characteristics of economic growth according to the economist Kuznets? Yeah. So it is specifically asked, what are the characteristics of economic growth according to Kuznets? The first option is increasing rate of per capita income, then high structural transformation, then increase factor productivity, and all of the above. So these are all characteristics of Kuznets hypothesis. Yeah. So whenever there is increased per capita income, whenever there is high structural transformation, when there is high productivity of the underlying factors of production, then it is termed as economic growth according to Kuznets. So here we have all of the above as the correct answer. Let us now move to the second MCQ which we have here. According to Hicks and Streeton, which among the following is not a representative of basic needs? So Hicks and Streeton has given basic indicators of, or the indicators for basic needs. So which is not a representative of the same? Yeah. So first option is health, second is water, third is education, and fourth is poverty. So if you have seen the Hicksian and the Streetonian classification of the indicators for basic needs, health, water, education are there, poverty is not there. Therefore this is the correct answer. Not, so poverty is not the thing. Yeah, is not the thing. Let us now move to the third MCQ which we have here. Which of the following denotes technological characteristic in developing countries or least developed countries? So the options which we have: outdated technology, lack of expertise, capital deficiency, capital in terms of both money as well as technology per se, yeah, and all of the above. So here these are all the characteristics or technological characteristics of least developed countries, that is lack of expertise, lack or inadequate technology or outdated technology or capital deficiency or capacity deficiency and things like that. Yeah. So let us now move to the fourth MCQ which we have here. Which of these again do not denote economic characteristics of developing countries? Do not denote. So we have been asked, does not denote the economic characteristics. Let's get into the options. First option is high gross national income per capita. Okay. Second is low productivity. Yeah, that is a characteristic. Dualism, again that is a characteristic, and high unemployment, that is again a characteristic of least developed country or developing country. So high gross national income per capita cannot be, it will be less or low gross national income per capita as a characteristic of developing countries. So I hope that idea is pretty much clear. Let us now move to the fifth MCQ which we have here. Which of these are demographic characteristics? Here I am asking demographic characteristics of developing country. So we have high growth rate of population. Yes, indeed we have higher growth of population per se in developing countries. Then high dependency, since births are a lot, that is the total fertility rate is a lot, that is why the dependency increases on a family. So therefore high dependency is again correct. Low standard of living, pretty much true. And the last option is all of the above. So all the three are demographic characteristics of developing countries. So all of the above is the correct answer here. Let us now look at the last MCQ which I have for you today. Which of the following does not, again I am asking, does not denote problem associated with developing countries or least developed countries? Does not denote problems associated with least developed countries. The options are inadequate housing. Yes, there is a problem of housing. Poor infrastructure, okay, that is there. Better standard of living and high unemployment. Better standard of living is not a problem associated. Rather we have poor standard of living. Yeah, rather least developed countries have poor standard of living. So here does not denote, this is the correct option which is C. Better standard of living is not a problem associated with developing countries or least developed countries. So I hope the MCQs are pretty much clear. Please stay tuned. I'll be making more videos. Thank you.